Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading your dataset into Spss and confirming variable types so graphs represent data correctly. Once done, inspect scales and recode or compute derived variables where necessary. This ensures accurate axes and summaries. Make sure to mark missing values and filter cases to avoid misleading plots. After verification, save a copy. Then choose the Charts Builder or Legacy dialogues. This is your first actionable step toward creating a meaningful graph. Next, open Chart Builder to construct the visual. Drag your variables into the X and Y drop zones and select the appropriate chart type. This dictates how SPSS aggregates or plots points. Then set element properties such as aggregation method, statistic, and grouping factor so comparisons are valid. Once the preview looks right, create the chart and launch the chart editor to refine labels, fonts, axis ranges, colors, and add reference lines. These tweaks improve readability and interpretability. Finally, export and finalize your graph for reports or presentations by choosing the file format and resolution that preserves clarity. Before exporting, compare the visualization to summary tables to confirm totals, axis units, and any transformations. If something looks wrong, troubleshoot by revisiting variable measurement, recoding steps, and active filters. These are common sources of errors. Reopen Chart Builder or rebuild the plot after corrections, then re-export. This sequence ensures accuracy and publication-ready visuals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.